मारुति सारी राम कथा का सार तुम्हारी आंखों में।
हे मारुति सारी राम कथा का सार तुम्हारी आंखों में।
दुनिया भर की भक्ति का है, दुनिया भर की भक्ति का है भंडार तुम्हारी आंखों में। हे मारुति,
हे मारुति सारी राम कथा का सार तुम्हारी आंखों में। जय जय बजरंग बली, जय 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 बजरंग बली, जय 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 बजरंग बली, जय जय।
Today's very momentous occasion where Richard celebrates his birthday today, which is actually his birthday. I'm not privileged to let you know how old he is. Maybe when he is making his own presentation later on, he is going to mention that. Or maybe he has shared that with the presiding priest here this evening, and you may get that information from him. The space upstairs here is a little bit cramped because we have so many movie makers here and radio stations here. Maybe we'll have to put a little extension, a wing somewhere, so when they come, they just put them on the wing. So a lot of space is now taken up by all of these stations. So as we welcome you, I want to introduce to you Pandit Ram Narayan, which is not the name that I really know him by. The name that I know him by is Boloji. And it's not a name that I've gotten like recently. It's a name that we have known. Well, the thing is that it's a name that we have known him by ever since I have known him. And it's a name by which the country has known him, the name of Boloji. So anywhere you go and you listen to the name Boloji, that is the name that most people will know him by. So tonight we are very, very privileged to have him in our midst, and he's going to be making presentations on behalf of the Swamiji whom you have seen here, Sri Sri Swami Sachidananda Ganapati, on behalf of the Dattatreya movement. Boloji is fortunate that he is here today with his members of his family, his Dharmapatni sitting way down to the other end here, and his daughter is also there with him. So tonight we welcome you, and we also welcome Boloji, right? The floor is now yours.
Namaste, Siddham, Jai Gurudata. Pleasant good afternoon, Assalamu alaikum. Devotees, first of all, let me pay my respects to all the pundits in the audience. Several of them I have known for quite some time. And also, I want to thank Pandit Surju, Mukram Surju, and I hope to see Pandit Dev Ram Prasad. And these are the people who have put me here today as a pundit. Earlier on, many years ago, about 40 years ago, Pandit Mukram Surju, Dev Ram Prasad and the late Melvin Ganga Prasad met me and they said, Boloji, why don't you go and become a pandit? I said, Bab, that's not for me. Then they said, no, you can sing, you can give the scores, you're a teacher, etc. So let me pay my respect to Panditji and Dev Ram Prasad and the late Pandit Melvin Ganga Prasad. They have been one who instrumental in bringing me to become a pandit. So at this point in time, I'll just give you an idea what the program is going to be like. I want to welcome also Mr. Chailo's son. When I was in the Sai Baba movement, I told him recently, I used to go along with him. Mr. Chailo, he's here. You remember me? In the Sai Baba movement. When you had that 8mm film and you used to show it throughout this country. I was with you at that time, with Suraj Ram Prasad. So I'm so glad to see you all here this evening.
Very happy to.
I'm with Swamiji now, so I'm going to do his book. So tonight the program is going to be, first I'm going to have some mantras of Swamiji, which is Dattatreya Yoga Center mantras. Then I'll give you a small little Manas Puja, and I'll give you the explanation of the pujas. And then my daughter there and the others are going to give you a presentation on the evolution of religion itself, Dattatreya and others. And as we go along, time permitting, we'll tell you what's coming next. So please join me as we do some opening prayer. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, Harihi Om. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha, Shri Saraswati Namaha, Shri Bhadavallabha Narasimha Saraswati, Shri Guru Dattatreya Namaha, Shri Ganapati Sachananda Swami Namaha, Shiveti Shaureti Gajananeti Skandeti Deviti Raviti Bhayam Arjanti Bhatyam Bhuvibharati Smin Tamika Devam Sharanam Rajama Yadagnaya Vyomi Ravi Prabhati Yadagnaya Agnir Dahati Prabhavam Yadagnaya Vati Sadagatischa Tamika Devam Sharanam Rajama Jala Swarupam Dahana Swarupam Prithvi Swarupam Nanvayurupam Varanti Amma Gagana Swarupam Tamika Devam Sharanam Rajama Aranya Madhye Giritum Rashegi Nadetati Bhata Tata Madhye Gihantari Avachita Ekaiva Tamika Devam Sharanam Rajama Yaiva Karta Bhuvana Saharta Samrakshapurva Katita Purana Trimurti Rupena Virajateya Tamika Devam Sharanam Rajama Aleti Nama Jinadeva Nama Budeti Nama Cha Yama Vayanti Maranti Angariti Prachaloka Tamika Devam Sharanam Rajama Baibalyo Madhika Purana Madhya Shastreshu Vedeshu Purana Varge Yakirtireka Viratam Sushta Tamika Devam Sharanam Rajama Igirju Masjida Sumandireshu Priyanama Charchana Antiviriyam Ajanti Gayanti Cha Yad Gunogo Tamika Devam Sharanam Rajama Anantanama Parishobhitoya Anantarupena Virajitasya Anantavriyani Gune Prapurna Hamsa Chidananda Vibhum Rajama Hamsa Chidananda Vibhum Rajama. The meaning of this mantra that was said, Swamiji is not only a follower of Hinduism, he has followers of all religion all over the world. And this mantra, the meaning goes like this: I seek refuge in that only Lord who is worshipped in this Bharat, India, and Trinidad, and all over the world, with devotion as Shiva, Shauri, Gajanan, Skanda, Devi, Ravi, and Vayu. We seek refuge in that only Lord at whose command the sun shines in the firmament, the fire burns willingly, and the wind is ever in motion. We seek refuge in that only Lord who is said to be the form of water, the form of fire, the form of earth, the form of wind, or the form of Akash, the blank blue space above. We seek refuge in that only Lord who is absolute, whether worship in the middle of a forest or on a peak or a mountain, on the bank of a river or in the middle of the pond. We seek refuge in that only Lord who alone is spoken of as the ancient creator, protector and destroyer of the world, and who shines in the form of Trinity. We seek refuge in that only Lord who is called by various people of this world by names like Allah, Jinnah, Buddha, and who is referred to as God by the Western world. We seek refuge in that only Lord whose boundless glory is proclaimed ceaselessly in the Bible, the Quran, the Shastras, and the Vedas. We seek refuge in that only Lord who is worshipped and whose glory is sung in the churches, in the mosques, and in the temples by various methods like chanting prayers, holy names, etc. We seek refuge in that supreme Sachidananda who is endowed with countless names, who shines resplendent with countless forms, and who is exuberant with countless good qualities. The next mantra, which is the Datasava, and this morning I am doing Puja Padaji, I was telling him that the stavas and the chalisas are the life story and the powers of the Devian Devatas. So we had sung Hanuman Chalisa, which we'll be singing later on in a while. But this one, the Datastava, I thought I'll explain all these things to you. So for those who don't know much about Swamiji and Dattatreya Bhagavan, this is one of his chalisas or stavas. This one goes like this. Shri Ganeshaya Namaha, Shri Saraswatye Namaha, Shri Bharavallabha Narsimha Saraswati, Shri Guru Dattatreya Namaha. Dattatreya Mahatmanam, Varadam Bhaktavatsalam, Prapanartiharam Vande, Smatragami Sarovatu, Dinabandhum Pipasindhum, Sarvakaranakaranam, Sarvaraksha Vande, Smatragami Sarovatu, Sharanagata Bhinarta, Paritrana Parayanam, Narayanam Vibham Vande, Smatragami Sarovatu, Sarva Nartaharam Devam, Sarva Mangalam Mangalam, Sarva Kleshaharam Vande, Smatragami Sarovatu, Brahmanyam Dharma Tatvajnam, Bhakti Kirti Vardhanam, Bhakta Vishtaparam Vande, Smatragami Sarovatu, Shoshanam Papa Pankashya, Ipanam Jnana Tejasa, Kapa Prashamanam Vande, Smatragami Sarovatu, Sarva Roga Prashamanam, Sarva Pira Nivaranam, Vipadudharanam Vande, Smatragami Sarovatu, Janma Sansara Bandhagnam, Surupanandadayakam, Nisriyashapadam Vande, Smatragami Sarovatu, Jayalava Yashakama, Dhatu Natasya Stavam, Bhoga Muksha Padashevam, Prapate Sakate Bhave, Shri Ganeshaya Namaha, Shri Saraswati Namaha, Shri Paravallabha Narsimha Saraswati, Shri Guru Dattatreya Namaha, Shri Ganapati Sachida Swamita. So this is the Stava, as we say, of Dattatreya. When I discourse about Dattatreya Bhagavan Hanuman, in a short while I hand over Panditji to sing one bhajan. So please get ready. The meaning of this bhajan, or should I say Stava, I adore Lord Dattatreya, a Mahatman who confers boons and protects the devotees, who removes afflictions immediately of those who remember him with faith. I adore Lord Dattatreya, who is a friend of the poor, a sea of compassion, cause of all causes, and the protector of all those who remember him sincerely. I adore Lord Dattatreya, who is a shelter for the poor and afflicted, and grants deliverance immediately to those having firm devotion in him and remember him sincerely. I adore Lord Dattatreya, who is the destroyer of all useless and harmful things, and the giver of all auspiciousness, objects and remover of afflictions of those who remember him sincerely. I adore Lord Dattatreya, a well-versed in the Vedas, a knower of the essence of religion, who causes to increase the fame of his devotees, and who is the giver of whatever is needed by the devotees who remember him sincerely. I adore Lord Dattatreya, who removes the quagmire of sins, lights up the flame of wisdom, calms down distress and torment of those who remember him sincerely. I adore Lord Dattatreya, who cures all diseases, heals all pain, and removes all calamities of those who remember him sincerely. I adore Lord Dattatreya, who is the most excellent and liberates from the cycle of birth and death in this world, and who is the giver of bliss to those who remember him sincerely. Those who recite this eulogy of Lord Dattatreya regularly and with faith become wise and attain victory, fame, and fulfillment of all worldly desires and achievements, and finally get liberation. At this point in time, we will have one bhajan by Pandit Ian Jagdu Maharaj, and he was with us all morning this morning at the puja here. He is from Canada, and he's going to render one bhajan while I pause from it.
Om Gam Ganapati Namo Namah Sri Siddhi Vinayak Namo Namah Gam Ganapati Namo Namah Om Vajratundra Mahakaya Suryo Koti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurume Deva Sarvakareshu Sarvara Om Gajananam Bhutaganaadise Vitam Kapita Jambo Kalachara Bhakshanam Uma Sutam Sro Kavinashakarakam Namami Vigneshwar Param Pankajam Jai Jai Ganapati Jai Ganapati Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganapati, Jai 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 Ganapati, Jai Ganapati, Jai Ganesh, Jai Ganapati, Jai Jai. Lambodara Pitambar Sohe Alimal Mukadana Nayanatnari Lambodara Pitambar Sohe Alimal Mukadana Nayanatnari Gajman Manikane Brijmana Gajman Manikane Brijmana Bala Bala Ki Chandra Chakwari Ganapati Vigna Shanahari Ganapati Vigna Shanahari Ganapati Vigna Shanahari Ganapati Vigna Shanahari Jai Jai Ganapati Jai Ganapati Jai Ganesh Jai Ganapati Jai 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 Ganapati Jai Ganapati Jai Ganesh Jai Ganapati Jai Modakali Dadita Janani Rama Tumak Jagatano Puri Janitara Modakali Dadita Janani Rama Tumak Jagatano Puri Janitari Riddhi Sidino Chamakadula Vata Riddhi Sidino Chamakadula Vata Sura Sasamuti Ghat Ganapati Vigna Shanahari Ganapati Vigna Shanahari Ganapati Vigna Shanahari Ganapati Vigna Shanahari Jai Jai Ganapati Jai Ganapati Jai Ganesh Jai Ganapati Jai 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 Ganapati Jai Ganapati Jai Ganesh Jai Ganapati Baba Moriya Re Baba Moriya Re Moriya Re Baba Moriya Re Moriya Re Baba Moriya Re Moriya Re Baba Moriya Re
accept what we have on stage here because it's an information session about Dattatreya and Hanuman. So please don't expect too much singing, but we will have more singing by Panditji and maybe Rangi and others. I expected others, but we're not going to have too much singing because we want to give out as much information about Dattatreya Bhagavan and Hanuman as possible. So the next mantra, which we normally say at the Dattatreya Yoga Center, and if you look around, you will see there are pictures of the various centers which Swamiji has. He has at the Aripo River, which you all know a lot about. He has at the Pinal Temple, which he is coming on the 14th to consecrate. And he'll be there 14, 15, 16, 17. So just for your information, those who can reach there can be there for the consecration. So the one at the back of the, where the glass is there, you have the Aripo Temple, you have the Pinal Temple somewhere on the side, and you have the Princess Song Temple, and the Dattatreya Yoga Center is also there. So this is where Swamiji, he makes sure that he energizes the water in Aripo, and then there's one on the left-hand side here, he energizes these padvikas there. So with these mantras, he does his energizing. So I'll continue with a couple of the Dattatreya mantras, and then we'll have some more singing, and then we'll go into the videos that I'm going to explain to you. So now one of these mantras that we are going to do now is to the Guru, Sadguru Stava. So I'm going to say it, and then I'm going to read the English meaning after. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha, Shri Saraswatye Namaha, Shri Padavallabha Narasimha Saraswati, Shri Guru Dattatreya Namaha, Shri Ganapati Sajananda Swami Namaha, Siddhi Buddhi Mahayoga Varadi Yoga Nadipaha, Yashvayam Sachidanandam Sadgurum Tam Namamyam, Yashya Dattatreya Bhavo Bhaktanam Matmadanata, Suchate Sachidanandam Sadgurum Tam Namamyam, Yoga Jyotis Samudiptam Jaya Lakshmi Narasimhayo, Advayam Sachidanandam Sadgurum Tam Namamyam, Yoga Vidya Chitrabhanu Chitrabhanu Sharadbhavam, Jnanadam Sachidanandam Sadgurum Tam Namamyam, Ganesho Markadine Nityam Shri Chakra Pujani, Dikshidam Sachidanandam Sadgurum Tam Namamyam, Agastya Muni Sankranta Nana Vaidya Durandam, Bhavadam Sachidanandam Sadgurum Tam Namamyam, Vadyudancha Divyanama Sankirtana Kanadidim, Nada Bim Sachidanandam Sadgurum Tam Namamyam, Datta Pita Dipam Dharma Dakshanupayo Banduram, Satkavim Sachidanandam Sadgurum Tam Namamyam, Viruta Bhakta Samoham Avadutam Jagadgurum, Svasvayam Sachidanandam Sadgurum Tam Namamyam, Sarutam Bhakta Maisvaryam Dhanam Yoga Marogata, Sanvatim Jnanamanandam Sadguru Stavatulaved, Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha, Shri Saraswatye Namaha, Shri Padavallabha Narasimha Saraswati, Shri Guru Dattatreya Namaha, Shri Ganapati Sachidananda Swami Namaha. The meaning of this mantra which I just said, which is the Sadguru Stavam, since he masters Siddhi, achievements, and Buddhi, pure wisdom, and thus is Ganapati himself, I prostrate to Sachidananda Sadguru. Since he gives himself to his devotees, and thus is Dattatreya himself, I prostrate to Sachidananda Sadguru. Since he was born a unique light of the yogic union of Jayalakshmi and Narasimha, I prostrate to Sachidananda Sadguru. Since he bestows his wisdom to his devotees, being born in Chitrabhanu, the year of fire, I prostrate to Sachidananda Sadguru. Since he keeps his vow to perform Ganesh Homa every Sunday and Shri Chakra Puja every day, I prostrate to Sachidananda Sadguru. Since he heals diseases in various ways, as given to him by Agastya, and heals the basic disease of being born in a body, ending rebirth, I prostrate to Sachidananda Sadguru. Since he is a wealth of singing and praise of divine names, playing various instruments, and thus is an ocean of nada, song, I prostrate to Sachidananda Sadguru. Since he is the Lord of Dattatreya, Pita, Dattatreya Abud, and establishes dharma, cosmic truth, through his poetry, I prostrate to Sachidananda Sadguru. Since he dispels the confusions of the devotees, being a self-dependent cosmic master himself, I prostrate to Sachidananda Sadguru. The next mantra said at the Dattatreya Yoga Center and all the centers of the Swami Ganapati Satyananda Swamiji is the Ashtalakshmi Sthiti. Many people believe that Diwali time is the only time to pray to Lakshmi Mata. Ashtami is 8, and Lakshmi, we depend on the 8 forms of Lakshmi Mata throughout our lives. So I'm going to give you this Ashtalakshmi Sthiti now and then the meaning, and you'll have a bhajan after that. Ratamadhyama Swapurvam Gajanada Prabhudinim Samrajadayinim Devim Gajalakshmi Namamyam Dhanam Agnir Dhanam Vayu Dhanam Bhutani Panchacha Prabhutaisraya Sandhatrim Dhanya Lakshmi Namamyam Prithvi Garva Samudhina Nana Vrehi Surupinim Pashu Sampat Sarupancha Dhanya Lakshmi Namamyam Namatsayam Nachakuru Nabhiti Nacha Vedari Yabhakanam Vinitaram Dharya Lakshmi Namamyam Putra Pautra Sarupina Ashibhityatmana Swayam Sambhavantim Chasantana Lakshmi Devi Namamyam Nana Vigyana Sandhatrim Buddhishuddhi Padayinim Amritata Padatrim Cha Vidya Lakshmi Namamyam Nitya Saubhagya Saushilyam Mahalakshmi Dadatiya Prashanam Srena Sulabam Adi Lakshmi Namamyam Sarva Shakti Surupancha Sarva Siddhi Padayinim Sarveshwarim Sivijaya Lakshmi Devi Namamyam Ashta Lakshmi Samahara Surupam Kandhari Priyam Moksha Lakshmi Mahalakshmi Sarva Lakshmi Namamyam Daridaya Dukaharanam Samriddhirapi Sampadam Sachidananda Purnatvam Ashtalakshmi Sthiten Bhavit Sachidananda Purnatvam Ashtalakshmi Sthiten Bhavit Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha Shri Saraswati Namaha Shri Padavallabha Narsimha Saraswati Shri Guru Dattatreya Namaha Shri Ganapati Satyananda Swami Namaha. The meaning of this Ashtalakshmi Sthiti goes like this. I bow to Gajalakshmi Devi, who, seated in a chariot having horses in the front, bestows knowledge through the trumpeting of the elephants and is the conferrer of an empire. Fire is well, air is well. In fact, all the 5 elements are well. I bow to Dhana Lakshmi Devi, who is the bestower of immense wealth. I bow to Dhanya Lakshmi Devi, who is resplendent in the form of various kinds of grains, sprouting from earth's womb, and shines in the form of cattle. I bow to Dharya Lakshmi Devi, whose modest devotees are free from envy, anger, and fear, and whose intellect is free from distinctions. I bow to Santana Lakshmi Devi, who herself assumes the form of a son and grandson of the cattle and of the servants of the devotee. I bow to Vidya Lakshmi Devi, who bestows special knowledge of objects, purifies the intellect, and confers liberation. I bow to Adi Lakshmi Devi and Vara Lakshmi Devi, who confers eternal auspiciousness and excellent disposition, and bestow good mind and ever gracious. I bow to Vijaya Lakshmi Devi, who is of the form of all powers, and bestower of all supernatural faculties, and is the internal controller. The integrated form of Ashtalakshmi is Vishnu Patni. She herself, Moksha Lakshmi, Mahalakshmi, and Sarva Lakshmi are bow to her. By chanting the Ashtalakshmi Stuti, poverty and suffering will be dispelled. Abundant wealth we obtain, and Sachidananda, the state of perfection, will be attained. I hand over again once to Panditji, Pandit Jagyu Maharaj, Vedas Ramosa.
Devotees, as we have just celebrated Diwali here in Trinidad and all through the world, we dedicate this wonderful vision, Lakshmi Maya Utari Teri Aditi, that we can all join together and sing together.
While Pandit is getting started, I must say welcome to Bobby Ruplal. When I started in the Dattatreya, he was a little boy, remember that, Prabhu? And I used to go with you, and he used to accompany you. So Ruplal, Bobby, welcome once more again. I'm happy to be here in your company.
Om Lakshmi Karo Tu